Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and today I'm here with my talented student,
Nicole.
So today we're talking about how to lift your soft palate while you sing, and before being able to do that, how do you find your soft palate and lift it up, make the choice to lift it up? So if you place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth. It's hard. That's your hard palate. It doesn't move because it's hard. If you slide your tongue backwards towards your throat, you can feel suddenly that changes to a soft, squishy texture. And it's your soft palate because it's soft. That's why they call it that. And since it's soft, it can move. So when you yawn, it just naturally goes up. So that's why if you're talking and then you start to yawn, it's like your voice sounds different. And then when you stop yawning, it goes back to normal. So it's like this roof of your mouth here goes up in the back. It makes this dome shape. And that space changes the sound of your voice. And then when you put it back down, your voice goes back to normal. But if you lift it up again, so like you can eventually, at some point, hopefully just control it. Make it go up and down whenever you want. But it's very difficult to feel like if it's happening or not at first. So some people will say it feels like if somebody shoved a golf ball into the back of your mouth or shoved an apple back there, or like you can pretend there's like a knife poking up and so you're trying to lift it out of the way. But we can just try lifting it up. It's really easy to lift it up if you open your mouth because you just make the same shape that you make when you're yawning. So I always think the ah vowel is the easiest vowel shape to feel the lift for your soft palate because it feels just like a yawn and you're used to feeling a yawn. The tricky thing is, though, we need to be able to choose to lift the soft palate on any vowel shape, and that's a lot harder to feel. But the good thing is it's very possible. You can lift your soft palate even if your lips are completely closed. So let's try that. Close our lips, and then we'll try to lift the soft palate up. Can you feel if it went up? And like your lower jaw will kind of naturally want to come down. You're creating space up and down. I can see your lower jaw move. Can you feel it going up? Or are you not sure?
I'm still not sure if I feel it.
So take the tip of your tongue and slide it back there again so you can feel where it is supposed to be lifting. Feel it? So now don't worry about keeping your lips closed. Just lift it up and then put it back down. Lift it up. Oh, I'm kind of sleepy. It makes me actually yawn today. And then put it back down.
It doesn't feel like it's moving.
Well, another thing you can do. This is super gross, so I apologize to anybody who watches this video. Hopefully there's nothing gross in my mouth. I'm going to open my mouth though so you can see in the camera. Oh, because my flashlight app is on my phone. I can't do both at the same time. Ooh, here. I'm over here where I have this lamp so you can see. Okay, so. That's up. And so it's back by, you can see your uvula go up. You want to try? And then see when I put it down, here's up. And down, up. And down. Can you feel it going up?
Now I can.
It's a very subtle thing. And it's so annoying because you can't see if it's happening or not. Voice is so tricky because we're the only musicians whose instrument is invisible to us.
Right.
We can't really see, like the soft palate is one of the few things we can see that's going on. Like a lot of things we just can't see. Like
Right.
with piano, I can be like, this knuckle isn't curved, curve it, and you can see if it's curved or not. But this, it's like a tiny feeling. The difference is not a big, huge, noticeable feeling like it is with, I don't know, like, are you standing up straight? Like, to me, it's easy to feel that, or compared to this, it's like a really different feeling. But, yeah, so let's try again. Lift up. And down. And so you feel that you're stretching all of your tissues taut inside your mouth. You're stretching down, you're stretching up, jaw goes down, soft palate goes up. So it's like a stretched open feeling. We call everything from like here down to here your vocal tract, because that's where your voice is produced and shaped into a sound. So we're trying to open the vocal tract up, and if you think of it, it makes sense, because it's just like sound waves are just like if you try to bounce a basketball on top of a squishy bed, it doesn't bounce. But if you bounce it on something hard like asphalt, it bounces really easily. So our tissues, you can feel if your tongue is very soft and squishy inside of, soft palate and everything. So we're stretching everything a little tighter. The sound waves bounce around more easily, and then we lift up the soft palate to create a dome on the inside of our mouth, which is exactly why they build cathedrals with a dome, because the sound goes up and spins around and becomes more beautiful before it comes out. So it creates a tone quality that's more open and vibrant and full and beautiful. So that's why it's important. So let's try again. Stretching open. And back to regular. Now you feel like you're feeling it, right? Pretty clearly?
Yeah, I think so.
So let's try with the lips closed, which is the harder way. And back down. And lift up. And back down. Can you feel it going up? Yay!
Yeah, I think so.
So I think doing that, do it and then don't do it. Do it and then don't do it, like up, down, up, down. I think if you practice that, that can help you memorize what it feels like if it's up.
Okay.
Instead of just groping around like hoping that means it's up, because I can't really feel anything. You know? So anyways, 2 thumbs up for soft palates.